guys, it's me, Chippy. I'm here with Michael today, and we're gonna have so much fun.
Hey, you guys, you got a Chippy delivery.
Whoa! Check it out! The new Hot Wheels. Hey, Michael, you wanna open it up and see what's inside? Oh, nice!
Oh, the Hot Wheels set comes with all this track. A power supply, an on and off button, a Racer 1, a Racer 2 switch. Plug it in, use the controller, pull the trigger, and you're ready to race. It comes with a red race car, a green race car, 2 remotes, 4 stands to hold your track up, guardrails, and an instruction booklet. Let's go inside and play with Michael.
We got our race cars, the track right down to Teddy Corner, T-Rex Circle. He's scary. An Avenger Alley with all the Avengers. And don't worry, we have the fire department on standby just in case. Now let's get ready to race with Michael. You ready, Michael? You ready to race?
Yes. Ready, set, go.
Yes.
Go. Ready, set, go. Oh my goodness. Oh my.
Oh no.
Not again. Oh my!
Gosh, we had so much fun playing Hot Wheels with Michael. Hey, if you leave a comment down below, we're gonna give a lucky winner a free Hot Wheels set. We'll give you a shout out on the next episode of Chippy Trips too. Also, please like and subscribe down below. Till next time, bye!